Water hyacinth, a rather beautiful but invasive species. It's a fast-growing aquatic plant native to the Amazon basin. It has thick green glossy leaves along with beautiful violet flowers. It has air-filled bulbous stalks which help it float on the water.
Another crucial point is nutrient-rich water. If the water has extra nutrients, like from fertilizer runoffs or from untreated sewage, it can act as a buffet for the plant.
But now, how does this plant become so immensely invasive? When the temperatures are between 25 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius, it grows very rapidly.
So, we wanted to utilize this invasive species. Even though many businesses have done it before, our project helps raise awareness and inspire local actions by showing that anyone, even students, can turn an environmental problem into a sustainable solution.
We start off by cutting the leaves off the stem. They are the main star of our project. Now this stalk needs at least a week or two to dry up.
Once dried, the stalks can be too brittle to weave, so we need to soften them up. Soaking the stalks for up to 10 to 15 minutes can do the job. Viewing handicraft items from this can look very confusing, but actually it's quite simple. We can let our creativity flow with this step. We can make bags, trays, posters, placemats. The sky is the limit. Individuals can earn money from reusing and selling these water hyacinths. It's abundant, cost-free and easy to work with. Not to forget, it assists small enterprises and schools to create environment-friendly, handmade, useful products.
Our project isn't just about the product. It's about setting an example, educating others, and spreading awareness in our school or community. So let us reuse, reimagine, and restore.
So by using water hyacinths, we are helping clean the environment and boost the local economy. In the Darang district of Assam, about 24% to 27% of women's entrepreneur family income comes from water hyacinth crops.
Once choked our rivers is now shaping our future. One product, one project, one idea at a time. It's not about removing a species. It's about creating balance and creating opportunities.
The journey of water hyacinth doesn't end in the water. It begins again in our hands.